Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio water sign. This is August mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So messages for Scorpio water sign. So Scorpio under the deck 7 of Pentacles, 3 of Cups, 8 of Cups and the Emperor. I think you are fed up with waiting. There is some waiting game is going between you and your person. There is no clarity from your person's side. There is no stability in this relationship. And lots of you third party involved in this connection. Maybe family could be the issue here. Friends involved or could be another man or woman involved in this connection. So that's why you decided to walk away. If not, you will. In future, maybe you will walk away from this connection and you will stand by your power. Yes, you will be in this Emperor energy. So let's see our reading recent past 5 of Pentacles, Tower and Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, there is no stability and the relationship between you and your person is very, very slow moving energy. So that's why there was a Tower moment and they're treating you as an option. They suddenly ghosting you. So final message, there is no clarity at all in past. So that's why you decided to walk away. Then present the Hangman, the Sun and 3 of Swords. And lots of you kids also involved in this connection. You still feeling stuck, thinking about them a lot because 3 of Swords energy, you are missing them a lot. You are in this pain right now, Scorpio. But there is some relief because the Sun, there is some awakening is going after this phase. You are going through some transformation. Then future 6 of Swords, 7 of Wands and Judgment. Then you decided to move towards calm water and yeah, you decided to move on from this person. Then you are becoming defensive. Yes, you are no more dependent on anyone. You are defensive. You want to protect your emotions and you will make some decision regarding this life or regarding this relationship. You will make some decision, judgment, and for someone in this connection going through some legal issues. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Leo, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So Scorpio, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. 2 of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles, 8 of Cups and the Devil. See, I think for some, they walked away from this connection. They obsessed with you and they're very dominant. And for some, this person is really toxic for you. They're always in and out of your life. And there is no stability at all. I already told you. And 2 of Pentacles, they're always juggling. There is no clarity from this side. Maybe they're juggling between you and their family, you and their career, whatever. Maybe your person is very, very career focused, workaholic person. So let's see their current feelings and intentions, Scorpio. Intentions. Under the deck, 5 of Swords, 8 of Wands, Knight of Swords, and 6 of Pentacles. There is definitely they want to communicate with you. There is a chance for lots of communication, but there are some issues. Maybe in past they did hurt you, they ghosted you. Maybe your person is a liar, but they want to communicate with you. So I want some clarification cards here. King of Wands, 3 of Cups, and the Sun, and 8 of Pentacles, the 8 of Swords, and 5 of Swords under the deck again. So your person's still stuck on you. They're thinking about you a lot because 3 of Cups with the Hangman. They still want reunion with you because Queen of Wands with the Lovers. So definitely if they are in their power, but still they do love you, there is love, but they are not showing. Because Queen of Wands, they are not showing their emotions, but they are stuck on you. Definitely Scorpio, they are stuck on you. They really want to work on this relationship. Then their intentions, the Sun, Page of Pentacles, and Wheel of Fortune. The Sun clarification called Temperance. So they are being very patient, and they're patiently waiting for right time. Wheel of Fortune. Here divine timing is the key. Definitely there is communication is coming. If they did hurt you, they want to say apology. And lots of you kids also involved in this connection. And the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. For some, they are healing right now. They are listening to their inner voice and listening to their intuition. That's why they're being very patient. They are restoring balance within themselves. And right now they're going through Tower movement. That's why they're taking time. They are healing. But they're thinking about you a lot. I think you also missing them. And for some, the woman in this connection could be pregnant or having kids. Definitely you want to, even though you are also missing them, you are in Empress energy, you are also not showing your emotions. You feeling that you are okay without that person, but that is not the truth. You are missing them and you want reunion with that person. So let's see mutual energies. You both missing each other a lot and you both stuck on each other because 8 of Swords. Definitely they are stuck on you and you also stuck on them. This connection is stuck right now. See, waiting game is going. You both are waiting for right time. You both are stuck on and waiting on each other. Queen of Pentacles, Hermit, and 4 of Wands, the Justice, second chances and reunion and marriage. So definitely there is some waiting game and there is some, I think waiting game is going. You both are waiting on each other. Definitely they will communicate very soon, Scorpio. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Religious factors. I need some space now. Trust issues and friendship. For some you are very good friends. So religious factors. I need some space now. Trust issues. So these are the messages. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. The end of a tough cycle approaches full moon in Capricorn energy. If you are going through a tough cycle right now, it is going to be end very soon. And step out of your comfort zone, North Node. So if you want to achieve anything, something big in your life, so this is the message for you. First you have to step out of your comfort zone. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.